Students, this is a very important share at this moment. This is actually a paper which went for rechecking, and I am not going to discuss this part, but I am just going to show you that this is an actual paper of an A-star student. Now, the purpose to show you this paper is to let you see the checking of examiner. It is also going to shed some light on the way evaluation is done, and definitely you will see that how language is used and how development is done in the paper. Okay, this is the same text about zoos. We all are quite aware of it, and we know that text, right? So I am just going to share this with you, discuss it, watch it till the end, and see that how this student, that develops his her points, and how she does evaluation. Good morning, everyone. I hope you all had a great weekend and were able to make time for some fun activities. Some of you perhaps paid a visit to the zoo. That is what today's debate revolves around, the position zoos hold in society and their effects on human and animals alike. Believe it or not, there might be a more darker side to this than people tend to think. So you can see that here very beautifully writer has lent into the topic, and she has told us that there are two sides to it. You can see that the verb part and the punctuation parts are marked by the examiner, and I must tell you that this is actually on screen checking. First of all, I won't deny the great joy it brings people, especially young ones. I still remember how awestruck I was upon seeing a 15-feet giraffe plucking leaves from the skies, or at least that is what I felt like to meet. Now look at this part of the discussion, which is not in the text. This part has been given by writer. She has told a moment from her life when she herself has been to zoo, and she has really liked that part. So this is actually the development. So development is anything which you are adding into the text, which is not there in the text. So this point has been narrated rightly by the writer to make her point. It's a cheap way to locally see animals of rare species. Not only that, it can be made into a great learning experience for children on school trips, which can broaden their spectrum on what they have already learned. So these are all are the points taken from the text. You can see that examiner has put a green tick to show that candidate could pick the points from the text and could reproduce them in her own way. Now, here comes the development again. Look at this. Furthermore, it has proved significant in search purpose to study animals' behavior in order to make new breakthrough in science. So you can see that another this point has been further developed. Now you must be wondering that when the writer is writing for banning the zoo, but here she has talked about all the sites favoring zoo. But look at one thing logically, that what is correct that cannot be denied. So you don't have to illogically go against your opposite text. Okay, you can go for the right, saying that it is right. Okay, but you can see that here writer has given two developments on the opposite text. Now here the examiner has given level 4 for her reading. If you were to see beyond the exotic animals and beaming smile on children, one would realize the adverse condition in which these animals are kept. So you can see that another further development given, that what we see, it is not the reality. Sure, it brings families together, but at what cost? Now look at this, that this is a point from the text, and here she is going to evaluate it. It's their entertainment more important than the lives of actual thing, breathing creatures with real feeling. They stay locked up in cages day and night out, crammed together in choking, dense, dense rooms. Here you can see that writer has used emotive language correctly, like locked up, like the word crammed together to enhance the effect, then the word choking dense room. So she has used emotive language to make her evaluation more persuasive, right? So you see that here the point that yes, it brings families together. It is something to enjoy about, but look at this, that she has contradicted that thing, that it is more important that we have to see to it that actually those animals caged are suffering, handled by people who don't even uh, hear the who don't ever have the specialized skills required for their maintenance. My friends, if that isn't animal abuse as clear as day, I don't know what is. So you can see that evaluation has been done, that it is actually an animal abuse thing, leaving them under unskilled hands. The animals who do know the likeness of what it is to be free are never able to adapt, which inhabits their lifespan. So another evaluation that see that it is not their natural environment, so definitely they will have a shorter life than their actual life is. Their predatory instinct gradually washes away while they rot in a cage. You see that another development is done, that that it they their instincts are actually removed from them when they are caged there. Definitely that is not a natural habitat for them, and they don't behave the way they are supposed to. I won't look over the fact that it can be a final effort to protect endangered species, all the while spreading awareness of our deteriorating environmental condition that is in turn reducing our biodiversity. So she has taken the point from the opposite text, that yes, this is an attempt claimed by the owner that they are securing these endangered species. Call me cynical, but surely business value money over protecting our environment. Okay, so but she denies the fact that it is for protecting animal, and she claims that it is for earning money. Just think there could be better ways to achieve this goal, like setting up protected areas, for example. Animals don't have to be banned into circus act in order to protect them. So this is evaluation further, that they should not be bound to act in circus. We can see that the tone is quite critical, for required for a debate, and you can see that good points are raised here. After weighing both sides of the argument, I strongly believe that zoos should be banned. You want entertainment? Question mark. Go to a mall. And don't make animals suffer due to your ignorance. See that another part is done for the evaluation, that there can be other ways of enjoying. They belong in the open with their own species. They weren't meant to be tamed or caged. How would you feel if your habitat were reversed? So finally, I would like to conclude by saying that this should be cancelled, should be condemned, and I would like you to pass on the message. Thank you for listening and being such a lovely audience. Bye. So I'm sure that here you can see that for the reading part, she has met level 5, and for the writing part, she has met level 4. On the whole, this candidate could score 42 marks out of 50, right? So I'm sure that this has been a good insight into the way into knowing that how a directed writing can be done. Thank you very much for watching it. And now you see that if evaluation and development has been a problem, you look closely at this, and then you just focus on the way that this writer has done and develop your style. Thank you very much. Good luck for your exam.